Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Plug the Xbox controller into your PC using a USB-C cable or pair via Bluetooth. Turn the controller on by pressing the Xbox button until the light stays solid. On Windows, 10 Open Settings, then Devices and choose Add Bluetooth or Other Device. Select Bluetooth and press the controller sync button to pair within 30 seconds. Wired connections bypass pairing and provide lower latency for retro emulation. Confirm the controller appears as an Xbox input device in Device Manager. Now launch Duckstation to begin controller configuration in the emulator. Open Duckstation and go to Settings, then Controllers to begin setup. Choose port 1 and set the device type to X input gamepad for Xbox compatibility. Click Configure to open the mapping dialog for buttons and analog sticks. Map A, B, X, Y, and the D-pad to their corresponding Duckstation commands. Set the analog stick dead zone to 0. 10, and enable rumble at 80% for accurate input and feedback. Test start. Select and shoulder buttons to ensure proper responses. Save the mapping profile with a clear name like Xbox for reuse. Return to the main controls page and open test input to verify every button and axis registers correctly. Move both sticks and hold triggers to confirm analog ranges and responsiveness. If any button does not register, reopen Configure and remap the missing control explicitly. If Bluetooth pairing fails, use the Xbox wireless adapter or a USB-C cable to connect reliably. Update Xbox drivers via Device Manager or install the Xbox Accessories app if needed for firmware and compatibility improvements. Save your final profile and load a game to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.